Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Together. In the previous videos, we learned about how to speak English confidently. And today's topic is very powerful: how to think in English to speak English confidently. Many learners know English words, they know grammar rules, but when they try to speak, their mind first thinks in their mother language, then it translates to English. This makes speaking slow. This creates fear. This breaks confidence. Today, I will show you how to train your mind to think in English. Today, I will explain 7 main points for thinking in English. 1. Why thinking in English is important. 2. Start with small English thoughts. 3. Name what you see around you. 4. Think in short English phrases. 5. Stop translating in your head. 6. Daily 5-minute thinking practice. 7. Speak out loud what you think.
Why thinking in English is important.
When you think in your native language, your brain works in 2 steps. First step is you think in your language. The second step is you translate into English. This takes time. This creates pressure. That is why sometimes you know the answer, but you cannot speak fast. When you think in English, your brain uses only one step. Think in English, speak in English. No translation, no delay. This is the secret behind fluent speakers. I think everyone should be understanding.
Start with small English thoughts.
You cannot think of full English sentences from day one. Start small. Start simple. When you wake up, think, I am awake. When you drink water, think, I am drinking water. When you walk, think, I am walking. Do not force big sentences. Use the simple present tense. Use daily life actions. Your mind learns patterns through repetition. Simple patterns become automatic.
Name what you see around you.
This is a powerful exercise. Look around you. Name things in English. This is a table. That is a chair. My phone is on the table. When you move, say, I am opening the door. I am sitting now. This trains your brain to connect real life with English words. No translation, only direct connection.
Think in short English phrases.
Do not think in long sentences first. Think in short English phrases. For example, not sure. Let me try. 1 minute. I think so. These phrases are used in daily conversation. When you store phrases in your mind, your speaking becomes faster. Fluent speakers do not build every sentence from grammar. They use ready-made phrases. You can do the same.
Stop translating in your head.
At first, your mind will translate. This is normal. Do not fight your mind. Train your mind. When a simple thought comes, say it directly in English. For example, instead of thinking in your language and translating, say directly, I am tired, or I need rest. This feels slow at first, but with daily practice, your mind will change its habit.
Daily 5-minute Thinking practice.
Here is your daily practice. For 5 minutes a day, talk inside your mind in English. Describe what you are doing. Describe what you feel. For example, I am busy today. I will study now. I feel better. 5 minutes is enough. Do not skip. Do it daily. Small daily practice changes your thinking habit.
Speak out loud what you think.
Thinking in English is the first step. Speaking it out loud is the second step. Say your thoughts softly, even when you are alone. For example, I am cooking now. I will take a break. Your mouth needs training too. Your tongue needs training too. Thinking trains your brain. Speaking trains your mouth. Both together build confidence. Thinking in English is not magic. It is a habit. Habits are built by repetition, not by one day of practice. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. You are not slow. You are learning. Think small. Speak simple. Practice daily. This is how confidence grows. Thank you for learning with me on Learn English Together. We are not perfect. We are learning together.